Welcome to HartmanBaldwin's Invite Us In series, where we virtually tour some of our favorite home transformations. This time, the spotlight is on the Miramonte residence, a major renovation that shaped the conflicting styles of prior remodels into a cohesive and elegant Craftsman home. An original American Craftsman home constructed in 1912, the Miramonte residence was a prime example of how even well-intended home improvement projects can detract from a house's beauty, especially if completed without fully understanding its style and history. When our clients first approached HartmanBaldwin for this project, they were ready to take the next step in creating the home they had always envisioned for their family. Their prior experience with a different architect was less than ideal, and so they embarked on searching for a full-service firm that had extensive experience with Craftsman homes and would keep their wants and needs in mind throughout the entire process. Because of the layout of the house and driveway, the north end of the house always served as a more natural entrance to our clients than the actual front door. So while the redesign initially focused on the back entryway of the home, ultimately, the mismatched aesthetics and isolation between rooms from prior designs led our clients to consider a more comprehensive remodel, befitting of the contemporary Craftsman style. The exterior renovation of the home coincided with an interior expansion of 186 square feet, which made room to transform the small patio on the west side of the home and provide more entertainment space. The patio was already conveniently shaded by a giant and beautiful Coast live oak tree, which was incorporated into the new design. To make sure we could keep it safe and healthy during construction, we worked with an arborist, carefully cutting parts of the tree to maintain it, while creating enough room for the new deck and expansion of the kitchen and family room. The 1950s kitchen, while still functional, was dated and disconnected from the style of the home and main living area. Our clients wanted a bright and airy space to enjoy with family and friends. New steel French doors and windows in a burnished bronze live finish complement the space's other accessories. Not only do they frame incredible city views over the tops of lush green surroundings, but also flood the rooms with natural light. A new Taj Mahal quartzite countertop from Brazil resembles Italian marble in appearance, but it is much more durable since it does not have the scratching and etching issues of marble. The combination of cherry cabinetry and a unique handmade Matawi tile backsplash in a dazzling pear color vividly completes the home's Craftsman aesthetic. It is bright and dynamic, while still appearing tastefully in line with its classic style. In the central part of the home, a steep, dark, and narrow staircase was relocated to the hallway behind the kitchen for better access to a previously converted attic. The new stairs provide not only safer access, but also anchor the space with their detailing and warm cherry finish that complements the new hardwood floors. Other elements of the home were upgraded to fit the same heightened aesthetic and function. An example of this was in the dining room, where the original built-in hutch was carefully preserved and relocated to an adjacent wall to accommodate the kitchen expansion. The hutch was refinished, and a new handmade Matawi tile backsplash was added to complete the look. In the living room, a little facelift for the fireplace was planned, but upon closer inspection, major safety issues were discovered. Once repaired, the fireplace was retiled with handcrafted Matawi's Field and Halstead accent tiles, highlighting the beauty of the arts and crafts style. The new mudroom is now an elegant entrance for guests, while providing expanded storage space to help a young, busy family have easy access to personal items like backpacks, purses, and briefcases. The Miramonte residence is now a shining example of how to thoughtfully remodel a vintage home for a modern-day lifestyle, showcasing the best of the California Craftsman style with its elegant yet casual interior that seamlessly integrates outdoor spaces. It's incredibly rewarding to bring a client's vision to life, but nothing compares to hearing them say how happy they were with the experience. To learn more about us, Visit HartmanBaldwin.com, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to hear the stories behind more of our favorite transformations. From all of us at Hartman Baldwin, happy remodeling.